Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Hey, what happened to that thing? I guess they're working on the front bumper. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm looking for. Hey, what is that? That is nice, guys. What is going on? I don't see a plate on it, so that means somebody likely traded in. Now, I'm not out here for this, but since I ran across of it, we might as well stop and be nosy, guys. Anybody recognize this? I've been in the bubble so long, guys. If it doesn't have a Dodge or Chrysler emblem on it, I am not sure what it is. I see 4 circles. That's not telling me what kind of car it is, JT. All I know, it could be an employee car. I don't know why I said I don't want to go pulling on. Well, ain't no plates on it, so it likely was traded in. All right, you gurus out there, you car guys. Somebody spit it out. What kind of car is this? Is it unlocked? Hey, it's unlocked. Must be 49,000 miles. I'm gonna go ask the used car guy. When he gonna bring it in so we can get a closer look at it. I don't really want to tamper with nothing. But nice little get up and go Ford Fusion right here. What? Oh, Wrangler. Yeah. That's an Audi? I couldn't figure out what it was. It's a what? Oh, it's sold? Whoa, what? Somebody traded it in? This is the one I remember, guys, I was talking about outside. I can't wait till they get in so I can see what it is. Fairly neat. Hey, they got sense in the oil pan. I wonder what they're monitoring under there. I don't know. Audi. Okay, guys, it has been confirmed that this is an Audi. Sorry, I didn't know, guys. I told y'all I've been in the bubble far too long. But nothing spectacular. It's a rear-wheel drive car. Come to the back, differential. Axles comes out. I saw that. What's that? Huh? No, I mean, what are they monitoring? What kind of sensor is that? So, nice little sport car. And guys, I told you, I remember when I said this in the video, this is sold. He just informed me that it's sold already. So, go figure. All right. Hey, what is this? Oh, we get all kinds of. Look at this beauty. Oh, 30 grand. Golly. What? Somebody traded in? 15,000 miles? What you finna do? You about to go? Ooh, let me see the inside. Ooh, it's a stick? Yeah. Y'all see that? It's a stick. SS. This is nice. But ain't no room back here. I mean, 2 little kids in the rear.
Look, there's room back there now, and I've moved myself up from my short little legs.
Shut up. What's under the hood? Huh? Hey, I want to see under the hood right quick. Just take a second, man. Quick second. Right there. I want to take a peek. How'd you get on the alignment rack? Whoa, sound like a... Whoa, V8, guys. Very nice. It ain't got nothing on our 5.7 Hemi though, right? Pretty close. Sounds good. All right. I'm not impressed, but I'm semi-impressed. Where?
Can you get the heads up display with your phone?
What'd that do? What do you mean?
See it in the windshield?
What'd it do?
Huh?
What are we looking at?
You can see in the windshield.
Put it there. Oh, look at that.
It doesn't pick it up.
What are you trying to pick up? I'm lost. This is like a little effect. Make it do it.
There it is.
What are we looking at?
Yeah, you can't see it because it's hologram, so you have to stick your head in here and look at it.
Oh, for real?
It's a hologram on the windshield of the. It's got the RPM and mile per hour on it.
They did that on purpose?
Yeah, it's called a heads-up display. It's got like a little hologram projector right here.
Hologram projector. They ain't got none of this on our stuff, do they?
No.
So it's a Chevy thing.
Yeah.
Sorry, Dodge. We don't really do holograms, but it's a nice car. Go on out, man. If I had 30 grand, I wouldn't get it. I'd get a Charger with a 6.4 Hemi in it, guys. Sounds good. Y'all hear that pipe? Sound pretty damn good. Okay. But that Audi, I don't know if y'all had y'all choice. I wouldn't own either. I'm just not this type of I don't know, but everybody's different. So, you know, if this floats your boat, do you? SS Chevrolet Camaro. Look at that candy apple red, guy. That's beautiful. See, he was able to come on and off of our new lift, guys. Our old lift, he probably wouldn't have been able to pull that off. But look at that. That is beautiful. Very nice. Now, back to the Audi. Oh, he's still working on his. Y'all remember I told y'all about this? He getting ready to swap that from a 3.5. This will no longer. He said he already got the emblem to put in its place. It's gonna go. Let me see if I can do an effect. Make that go from 3.5 to. You hear me? Yep, it's coming. He already had the engine over here, guys. We took a peek at this last week, I want to say. So I guess he'll start building it later. And when I say build, I mean build, because he got it towed all the way down to the nitty gritty. Crankshaft all the way down to the piston. So I'm assuming he's gonna go back in with new rings, new rocker arms, new everything. A lot of work. But when it's a project car to yourself, you're okay with that. I wouldn't advise this to a customer because it could get a little expensive and blow the budget up. Okay, so, but he's a up and coming mechanic, so he's more than thrilled to knock it out. All right, let's go this way, guys. All right, Wrangler. I don't know. They trade this in. What is this? It's 3.6 Wrangler. Assume they traded it in. I don't know. It's over here in the used car department, so it likely. Oh, they got some problems. Doing some shifter stuff. Everything over here is pretty much used car trade in. You should see me topless. Oh, I hope she got a nice set. If you're gonna advertise like that, you almost have to have a nice set. Okay. All right. I'm going this way, guys. I think I had enough fun for the day. What else is going on in here? It's Nosy 30. Ooh.